racing. Racing just is started. Queen Alicia moving apart the outside. Eagle swings. Business class in the middle portion. Then comes Southford. Next on Ladies Pink Lady Don Alejandro. While Defiant is the early trailer and going along for the first turn. We have Eagle swings by our length and a half. Business class is right behind in second. Queen Alicia is racing in third. Alongside fourth comes Southford. Moving apart the outside now is Pink Lady. Down on the inside is Don Alejandro. Defiant still racing in seventh. Back to the leader. We have Business Class now takes command by about 3/4 of a length lead. Eagle swings in second. Queen Alicia. Then next on that is Southford. Defiant now moving up down on the inside. Pink Lady comes next. Don Alejandro. And they are now entering the home stretch. We have Queen Alicia. Defiant moving apart the outside as they swing for home. We have Queen Alicia. Defiant moving apart the outside. Pink Ladies down on the inside with about 100 meters of the race. Queen Alicia. Defiant moves about the outside. And finally it's Defiant. Queen Alicia. Then comes Pink Lady. Eagle swings.
All right.